Want to be more productive and successful in 2025? These 5 simple habits can transform your life. Stay till the end, because fifth is a total game changer. First, the 5 a.m. rule. The most successful people wake up early. Waking up at 5 a.m. gives you a head start before the world wakes up. Use this time for exercise, meditation, or planning your day. A focused morning sets the tone for a productive day. Second, the 80-20 rule. Did you know 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts? Focus on tasks that bring the most impact. Stop wasting time on unnecessary work and watch your productivity skyrocket. Third, digital detox. Social media is killing your focus. Try the no notifications rule. Turn off notifications and set specific screen time limits. Apps like Forest or Focus Keeper can help. Less scrolling, more achieving. Fourth, daily learning. Successful people never stop learning. Read 10 pages a day, listen to podcasts, or take online courses. Just 15 minutes of learning daily can put you ahead of 95% of people. Fifth, journaling and goal setting. Writing down your goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them. Spend 5 minutes every morning setting priorities and tracking progress. It keeps you focused and motivated. Which habit are you going to try first? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe,